Live selling. Ayan na. Hi, guys! Ayan. Ayan, marami tayong costumes. Ano ba yan? For sales. Imay nyo lang. Ito na nga. Aray ko, sakit. Sa kuwat nyo lalagay.
Wala na ba yung ano mo?
Ah?
Kunin ko.
Ito.
Akin. Hawakan ko, oh.
Alright.
Mine, alitap-tap. Mine, alitap-tap. Yan. Mine, alitap-tap. Yan na. Ano na? Ilagay mo na. Wala
Yan.
naman.
Ayun naman pala. Diyos ko.
Habang wala
Yung
pang
ganun talaga kapag yung walang experience sa pagla-live selling. Ano ba yan? Nagla-live selling talaga ako. Ayan, iman nyo lang po.
Wala man lang manood.
Ang tawag yan sa top na yan. Yeah, it's brand new. Oh, diba? Pwede mo siyang partneran ng mini skirt. Then, dito magbabra ka syempre, di ba? Unless gusto mo ipakita yung mobility. Ayan, kuna ko na rin ng photo. Tapos palitan natin. Ay, hindi ako marunong mag-live selling. Diyos ko, kalok.
Di ba, wala naman nanonood eh.
Wala naman palang nanonood. Ayan, sige, picturean natin.
Kung sinong may gusto, yan.
Ayan. Buti na lang, 2 iPhone. Palitan na natin.
Next,
Pwede siyang lagyan ng tawag dito.
tuxedo.
Ng tuxedo.
At 3 kulay niya, kamang.
Oo. Meron tayong black. Meron black. And meron din tayong red color.
Huwag mo na ang bilhin. Ayan, ayan. Oh. Yan, pero
Ito ang black color. Wala.
taragis kayo, wala man lang.
Wala akong suporta. Walang nonood. Ba yan? Nakakainis. Ba't ganyan?
Wala kaming pang chicha. Kaya kayo'y mag-ano na.
Ayan. Walang nanonood kasi Sunday din, naka-live din sila.
Ayan. Oh, next, ang red.
Tama ba talagang sa Facebook ako nagla-live? Baka sa TikTok mas maganda. Ah, hindi. Baka sabihin ni TikTok nagbebenta ako.
Oo, bawal.
Bawal, no?
Yun sa TikTok.
Ayan. Bukod dun sa black, meron din tayong red. Nasaan yung red color? Ito yung red color. Lahat po ng items brand new. Pwede nyo siyang i-rent. Pwede rin nyo rin siyang bilhin. Ito yung red color. Live selling.
Oh. You cannot be put like this,
Kana.
I will get angry, You cannot be like
Mm.
this, Oh wow, left selling.
Live selling. Can rent and can buy. Yan.
Got online people, nobody.
Nobody watching.
Nobody watching there is selling people.
I'm selling to Isa. Okay.
Wala naman. Oh,
Next.
next. Ito.
This one, no need.
Ayan, pwede rin ito. Saka ito.
Ayan. Pwede rin naman to. Lahat po siya brand new. Hi, Jelay! Mag-mine lang.
It's true, reselling.
Yes! For rent and for sale.
Rasta is also not online.
Rasta na online.
Sige. Yan, maganda ito.
Okay, lagyan nyo lang ng item, dapat ba may mga item?
Item. Basta parang...
Hindi, basta screenshot nyo lang yung gusto nyo. Presyon ko kayo later.
I need to see how much is that after that.
Nobody watching.
Oh, clean. We need to go out already soon.
Okay.
Don't do already. But this one was nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
This one was nice.
Okay, Isa. This one done.
Yung ano niya, may alitap-tap sa tabi. yung,
Ay, hindi ko ito nakuha ng picture.
wala mo.
Please hold on. Water is being heated.
Yan.
1 cup dispensing.
Ayos mo.
Be careful. It is hot.
Ano yun, yung isang set? Nasaan yung isang set mo?
Okay,
Yung
next
It
one.
is hot.
Some we need to hang, right?
Yeah.
We hang, then we can save some box.
Yeah. Just hang some of the
This
clothes
one?
like this one.
Tuxedo.
Like this one?
Uh,
Hang.
This one no need to hang.
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 But hang later got.
I love the fur.
Ito.
Okay.
Next. Iyan mo yan para maubos na yung...
Be careful. It is hot.
Oh.
Ayan, we're live. For those interested, I'm selling some of the new clothings.
Ayun na. Ayun. Nanganggal na si
Leticia.
Leticia. Yan. Mabilisan lang yan. Oh,
Like this one, very beautiful.
Mamaya,
This one
wag mo
actually
na.
is
May
a beautiful
pants
one.
May pants.
May pants there.
Ayan.
This is not. This is the sleeves.
Where's the pants?
This is like this, the sleeves.
Wala pa ng pants.
No pants.
Underwear.
Underwear daw pala.
Underwear only.
Mm.
Wrong side.
Which one?
Wrong side.
You never wearing pants before, is it?
Visit it. Yan.
Okay, imay nyo lang po.
Can you put her in the normal way?
There.
Mga sexy. Yan. Yan. Okay. Ay,
You put.
Nombra niya.
You hold for me. Hold for me.
This one here.
Yan. Pasok mo lang isa.
Where's the chest? You put.
Masyadong malaki.
Okay, ready?
No, no.
Is it on the chest ready there?
Yeah. This one, chest. Okay. Okay, yan. Di ba?
Okay.
Hi, Rasta!
Busy kami, Rasta.
It's for sales and for rent.
She no boobs. She got no boobs.
Later on, meron tayong mga pang Victoria's Secret.
Wala bang ito, ano, ma'am?
No, that one is the other.
Yeah,
Is
correct.
this one.
This one here.
Yeah. Ayan.
No. Here. Only like.
Like that only.
Like this one, like wings.
Like wings. Oh, yan. Like wings pala. Ah.
Then the headdress is that one.
The headdress. The headdress. Parang pangpungpo. Hindi ba ito? Akala ko ito yung headdress.
That one is not headdress. This,
This
one.
one. Iba pala.
Wow, this one looks nice.
Yeah. Diba?
This one pretty.
Pretty, oh. Mine! I-mine nyo na!
Imay nyo na!
Wala kang pang chicha!
Nobody there. Why you shouting?
Ba? Imay nyo na! It's all brand new.
Oh, meron pa isa
With the
Iba yun.
headdress and
I see.
everything. This one is the headdress. Put like this.
No, put like this.
Ah. Put like this. Like this.
Pang Victoria's Secret, purple. Mamaya. Ito pa lamang yung terno nung ano, no?
You put it back properly. We don't keep it up.
Okay, put it back.
This one no need to hang out. Later 30.
Ah.
Where's the bag?
There. Next, ito
This
ba?
one is one set.
Two
Oh,
sets.
Two sets.
Two
Two
sets.
sets. We all bring back already.
Okay.
Okay, ito naman. Next. Dana natin sa ulo. Huwag yan sa ano. Dana lang natin sa ulo.
This one, no. After take up, then straight away fold.
Diyan.
Yeah. Wait. Like, give me an underwear. Underwear cannot. Fold properly. It's all new and. Oh no! I thought it's a light. No, this
Ipasok
one,
muna yung pagdamang.
The bracelet.
it's all new with the patch. So give me.
Ito na. Pink.
Give me one bag on the floor.
Pwede? Iharap mo yung bulaklak mo. Ito yan. Yan, sa kamay yan. Tapos mayroon pa yung sa mga necklace. Di na natin ilalagay.
This one comes with the whole set. Comes with the stockings, accessories.
Si Sailor Moon. Yan. Kung gusto mo magpa-Sailor Moon, yan. At,
Huwag mo nilagay sa finger.
yan. Oo nga. Yan.
Sa taas.
The chest.
Yan.
Wow, so beautiful.
Yan. And then ito, tali sa likod. Yan.
Nice And
Ito
the
ba yung
hands, the head, the
It's
head.
all brand new for sales
This one.
and for rent.
The headdress, this one.
Comes with the headdress.
Taas mo mang, hindi makitang headdress.
Too low.
Yan.
You take pictures now?
Ay, meron na.
Oh, yeah. Inquiry. Pa-screenshot na lang, Aiza de Jesus, kung kung alin yung gusto
Meron
mo.
pa kami ditong purple.
Then you take one picture.
Purple Victoria's Secret.
Take one picture
Oh,
then.
yan, take picture. Picture mo, mang. Siyempre, yan. Tapos, next, purple.
Pa-screenshot na lang nung gusto nyo. Tapos mamaya, presyoan ko kayo.
Isang set yan. May necklace din.
Give me one of the bag, Lisa.
This is the, belong to the, meron, ito yun, di ba, man?
This one? Go one more bag, give me.
Ano to yung sa socks?
Got stocking, this
Dito
one.
the stocking yan.
This one got pink stocking.
Sabi mo, mang, may
And then
stocking
got
yan.
This one, may accessories siya.
Saka yung stocking. Ayun.
May stock. Yes, meron po tayong Egyptian, saka pantaylan.
Wait, you take one more picture.
Oh, yung pang Thailand natin.
Later,
mamaya.
one by one will open.
Yan. Yan, necklace yan dito. Yan, necklace. Yan. Yan.
Then got behind also has something.
Yan. Hindi, double. Ito double. Double. Yan.
Wow!
Wait.
May socks yan. Eh, wag na natin
There's stocking.
No need,
No need the stocking. It's here.
No need.
Pink. Pink. Yan, sama mo, mang.
It's one set. Meron siyang accessories, may headdress and stockings.
Na-picture mo na.
Okay.
Next, purple.
Next.
Purple, mang.
Hey,
Purple.
pick it up.
This one for me.
Sa-
This one is for the Chinese one?
Chinese one.
And that one we're already done.
Si Victoria's Secret yan. Okay. Purple naman tayo.
No,
At meron din siyang ano sa leeg. Mamaya na si Thailand. Marami tayo niyan.
This one with the wrap. Later we wrap. Later we do. Then take it out.
What is this?
I did just now the
What is this?
Chinese one. So you just do the purple one first.
Purple ah. Ayun, asa na yung ano yan? Meron pa. Andoon, palit purple. Purple.
Okay. And then okay. Two.
No. Tagalin mo muna. Tagalin mo muna.
Purple.
Then you four. This one was very nice.
This one is very nice. Dito, Mang. Tanggalin mo yan, Mang. Tanggalin mo si yung ano.
Give me one more bag on the floor. Yeah.
Tanggalin mo, Mang. Ayan. Ayan. So,
Ayan, meron po tayong pang, ano,
Hindi, nababa yan kasi yung ano ito, harap.
ay,
It's beautiful one.
Ang Victoria's Secret. Yan. Huwag masyado mataas ang suso. Baba. Sa puso dyan. Yan. Yan.
ay, then this one, the,
Yeah, I put over there together.
Yan,
later.
ganyan.
okay.
Okay.
Eh, where is the hand?
Our next batch, ito na po.
Victoria. No, screenshot purple. Ay, ang ano, nalaglag ang suso. Nalaglag.
So, walang suso sa ano? Walang suso si Leticia.
Si Leticia.
Si Leticia walang bubay.
Nalaglag ang suso. Ano ba naman, Leticia? Yan.
Ayan. Put down.
Ito maganda. Maganda to, oh. Mamaya si Butterfly. Ay, dapat si Butterfly.
Where is the this bag?
Huh?
The this bag at where? Hey,
Eh?
hey, careful.
Ay.
This one dropping the
Ay,
stone.
Ay, the
stone
stone.
pala ito. Ay, may stone.
Stones.
May stone
And then
pala
the
ito.
others, I mean, the other bag for this one, that one.
Ayan.
May stone pala si Antay. Ayan. Ay, ito maganda para mag-debut ka lang. Oh,
Debut.
Oo nga.
Debut.
Di ba nag-debut ka lang sa ano? Yung mga ano ngayon. Oh, ang ganda kaya.
Okay, meron po tayo pang princess attire. Okay, pang debutant.
Yeah, ang ganda na naman.
Pink color. It's all brand new for rent and for sales.
May ano sa palikod bukasan. Ayun, oh.
Okay. No. You open up the Letitia's. Like this. Then you put it back. Put.
Sa mga safety na talaga.
You put. Okay. You put it down. Okay.
Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya, oh. Ang ganda siya. Uy, ang ganda niya. Ayun, oh. Ang ganda niya, oh.
Okay, meron tayong pang princess attire. Pang debutant.
Ang ganda niya, oh.
Inside they got a pong thing.
For birthday
No,
girl.
No, this one no.
Again, it's all brand new for rent and for sales.
nice, but need time.
Ganda siya, oh. Sa likod.
This one is behind got the zigzag, but don't do now.
Just like this. It's like this.
Mm.
Okay.
Dito yan. Dito na.
And the big butt. I took either you leave it there for me.
Okay, no more already, right?
Meron ito pa man.
Got the white color one.
Man,
This
meron
one is
siya.
what?
Hindi, kanina yung mga, ito na.
Ah,
Ito na.
ito na tayo.
Mm.
Ito, wala na to, no?
Wala na, nagamit na ano.
That one also two. You take it inside
Yeah,
because they
two.
need a space.
Marami siyang ano.
Mm.
They look like very
Yan,
ballerina.
maganda yan.
Oh, wow! Look at this!
Yung ballerina.
Okay, this one, give me.
Upside down.
Upside. Open up.
Yeah.
Like that. And like that, right?
Hindi so, pasok ko sa loob man. Wrong sa'yo, upside down na.
No, this one.
And this one should be inside.
Yeah,
Like this.
yeah. Like that.
You do again.
Mm.
Okay, you put it down. Wait.
Oh, meron pa siyang ano.
This one is the outside one. That one is the inside one. Okay, put the waist back. Okay, and then bring up. And then
Maganda
close
siya.
it.
Wow! Look at that!
Mm-mm. Mm.
Wait.
Meron tayong parang style ballerina.
One hand
Oh,
only.
one hand.
One
Then
hand
The
only.
shoulder. Give me the shoulder. Huh? Where's Latisha's hand?
Natin siya. Ilagay natin. Yan. Para sure. Si Leticia hen. And then yung tali niya nandito sa likod. Yung tali
Latisha
niya.
never been grand like this
If you
before.
want this one, here also.
Ah,
If you
yeah,
want-
the shoulder.
This one is
This one is the back.
yeah, the back. Tali
Wait,
dito.
give me the back.
Yan, like that. Okay. Yan. Just take a picture. Yan. Yan.
Just take photo.
Ibaba mo.
It's all new.
Yeah,
Never
all
touched it
new.
before.
Okay.
Okay na, meron tayong silver chandelier parlo.
Yan. Yan. Kung
Pamay na lang, pa-screenshot.
Hmm.
Mine meaning, bibili nyo o kaya i-rent nyo. It's not for free.
Meron pa man. Ito pa, oh.
Later they say it's free.
No.
No!
This all costume is
This one all.
customized one.
All customized. Hindi, may zipper yan, ma'am. May zipper.
Okay.
Okay.
Hindi, ibaba mo lang, ma. Ano ka ba? Ibaba mo lang at aalisin natin.
Sabagay.
Kalukak. Pinahirapan mo.
This
Ito
one
pa.
can be the
The Chinese costume.
Chinese one.
Ayan.
The Chinese one is the very grand one.
May buhok pa
Ayan,
siya.
meron. Doon sa Chinese costume naman natin kompleto. Sa mga naghahanap ng mga pang-Asian costume, meron po tayo.
This one, a lot of the accessories.
Oo.
Like this.
At pan-Thailand, ma'am. Ito sa Thailand.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Eh, the brackets.
No, just put it. This one is just around.
Just one. Ni hao wei shan Ay, marami siyang abubot sa kamay.
This one is the grandest one. Very
Super grand.
super. I do proper first.
Marami siyang
Wait,
abubot sa
I
kamay.
will do. Okay, let me see. And
Marami siyang
wait,
bangin.
wait. Okay. This one is not. This one is like this.
Huwag ka na magbangin.
Give me the hand.
So much.
No,
No need to put accessory.
No, it's like this one is made by
Ay, I thought
made by.
naman accessories ito.
No, it's like.
Like belly dancing.
Ah,
It's,
belly. Oo nga pala,
for
belly
the-
dancing pala to.
You need to be sure what
Yeah.
is that. This one is super expensive one because why is very tradition and usually the big show. This one is the waist. And where's the belly button?
Then.
Here. And then this one
Yes, yes.
and this one actually is the arms.
Ah, okay.
Then the arms here.
Oh, okay.
Then they will put this cloth is over here like fairy things.
Ah, yun pala yun, ma'am. Alam natin. Hindi ba ito?
Like
Kasi
you know the Chinese the fairy story kind, and they like this.
Ah, tapos meron pa dito sa
Then-
headrest. Ano to, yung wig? Pwede nilang
Oo.
i-open.
And then
Ito yung wig niya, may headdress siya kasama.
Isabit mo.
then like this. Then this one
Ah, yan pala.
like this.
Ah, yan pala yan. Oh, now we know.
Yeah.
Yan.
There are a lot of the accessories.
There are a lot of accessories. Meron na siya kasama accessories. Again, it's all brand new for rent and for sale.
Sige, picture mo. Picture. Ilagay natin sa likod yung ano. Yan. 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 Diba? Tagtagilipis siya. Baba mo. Yan. Yan. Yan.
This one actually very beautiful.
Yan. Yung Thailander.
The Thailand one is the worst one. Super over that one.
Yung Thailander.
Ah, sige. Eh,
You take it out the thing first.
Diba nakapag-sailing tuloy kami, hindi ko
live selling.
My point is not online selling. It's like you're taking one pictures, one pictures. Then like the next time we will know what we have.
Yeah, at least we're also live selling.
Okay.
friend.
But they must know it's new.
It's new. It's super expensive.
It's yeah. I just want to say it's not, but it is. Total 5,000 to 7,000 C. But it's not this one set, like it's both sets.
Now, meron tayong pang Thailand national costume.
This one, I have a doubt for it. Okay, let me see. Because I never see the costumes, I never see the pictures. This is the
Pante.
underwear.
Underwear. Pante.
Underwear, no need to
Another
put.
one. Right. Then this one is the chest.
Mm.
I'm confused for those. For those. Because Mimi haven't shown me. She said show me at night. But
Ganda oh.
okay, let me see that one. You open the bag for
Now we
me.
have po, pang Thailand national costume. Pwede rin siyang gamitin for Victoria's Secret.
Marami siyang
Open
abot.
the. You put it up.
Marami
Put it up, put it up, put it up. Abo, body up.
Marami siyang abubot sa katawan.
Okay, put it down.
Kaya may panty siya. May panty siya, okay mo
Oo.
lang.
This one is the panty.
Kasi na yung panties mo doon. Maganda
Hindi ko nalalagay yung panty ni Leticia.
Ano, oh. Abubot.
Shoulders. One is waist, one is shoulders should be.
Then sa body, yan dito.
This one
I think this one is for body.
No.
Like this, like this.
The other one.
This one wings. See? Okay. At the back. See? There's a hand. Oh. Oh. See?
This one is for the panty.
Wait.
See?
Maybe it's not. No.
You see? It's here
Is that
for the hand.
Is that
they got two. Maybe this two. Yeah. This is the hand.
Yeah, hand is here. Yan, yan.
Hand.
Hmm.
Because it's national costume.
Okay, Thailand costume.
For pwede kahit basta Asian country, pwede siya sa Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysian.
And then the leg. Not really. Don't know how to do. Maybe it's the feet. And they got those all accessories for.
Hindi, mang. Sa paa yan, mang.
Ha?
Paa to, mang. Sa paa to.
Sa paa.
Visit ka.
Ah,
lagay.
ah.
Sa paa yan, mang, ni
Di pa dito,
Leticia.
ah.
Oo. Aapakan yung ayan.
But it's too small.
Ipasok yan, mang.
Ha?
Ipapasok. Yan, oh.
No need na to.
Kaya nga. Pero sa paa to.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Para sa paa,
Wait.
akala ko nga bag ito, mang.
You see, the one is what? Should
I
we
think-
have something on the pants?
Yes,
Open
this,
up
this
for
the
me.
one.
Oh.
Wow.
Waist. Isa, put at the back. Mmm.
Yeah, this one is there.
Okay. Here is one set. And then here is the
For this one is for the head.
head.
The head.
And then they have the earrings and then
This one comes with the headdress.
Where is the
earring.
This is
where
the
is the
bag.
big one?
This is at the back.
No, this is the other side. Darling, put it down.
Oh.
You take the headdress. Where is the very big headdress?
There, out here.
This one is should be outside.
Ah.
Yeah. Yeah, this one.
Meron pa tayong butterfly, kamo man. This is your butterfly. Ayan. Hulog. Baka sa tuhod, ano to, sa leg.
Oh, they has the one that scare things to be. Wow.
Ayan na. Wow.
Ayan.
Okay. Only more grand. They got a lot of accessories. I haven't put it up yet. Oh, I think this one is like this.
It's like that. Nasa ate photo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can ready? Okay, Isa put the headdress back. Then we put one is
One by one.
one set and one pair. This is
And then, where's the styro? I did this.
the head.
Yeah.
Here. Okay. This is how many?
2.
Two. And this is the other side. Then the other one, I need one more. Okay, so this is the one. I think this is the hands. This is the hands. One. And then give me,
Then this one is for you.
yeah. And then this is one set. And then give me the accessories for the head. Just now you see the head one. You really I need help. No, the accessories. Just now I give you the accessories. Oh, to put it back. This is the one set. And where is the? Huh? This is the shoulder from the back. This is the shoulder for the front. Let's go. Take it out. Let's take it out and put it together. Fold and put. Later do the next one. You finish one, then doing the next one.
Ang hirap pala mag-let's say.
Wow.
And open up. Give me the skirt. Pick it up.
Oh, wow. Leticia, very versatile.
Ito yan lang. Ayun na yung panty.
Panty.
Put properly. You don't fold anyhow. Later they crash. The people they don't believe it. It's new.
Ate naman. Like, hindi ko kasi ako.
Si Leticia.
Okay. One
Asan yung
set.
bra? Where's the bra?
Bra is here.
This one just now.
Later you don't wrap it up. Then wrap it up by that thing. You put
Okay.
nicely. That's
Okay, so-
very beautiful. This one give me.
Accessories yan. Yeah.
This is one set.
Yeah, one set.
This is other set.
Tik-tik lang.
Meron din tayo sa mga feathers.
Dalawa yan, ma'am.
The next feather is for the.
Mamay pa ito, anin mo ito.
That one is the fan.
Pakita mo. Pakita mo ito. Di, tanggal mo na. Oh.
Okay.
Okay,
Now-
we also have the fan. From Victoria's Secret nyo, Dai.
Okay. The rest we don't need to be do already. Let's go.
We have 2 sets of this one. Hawakan nyo lang.
Marami pa yan, kamo.
Marami tayo, iba't ibang kulay.
Hindi, yung mga damit din.
Can we clean?
Yeah.
About the time to clean, then finish already. Then we need to go already.
Sabi mo, guys,
You put it back the fan. You never put anything back yet. You just straight away put everything out. Like that.
No, I'm looking for the plastic cover. Yeah. Okay. Now, we're done already.
Done already.
Done already.
Don't do already. The rest.
The rest, may mga malalaki tayong wings. Punta na lang kayo dito for inquiries. Bye!
Radio, wow.